The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra gives you your own digital PA all from the palm of your hand, and it even keeps your info for your eyes only with a clever new feature. Let's take a look. With AI such as Now Nudge, scheduling your life is so much easier. When someone asks you when you're around for a catch-up, Now Nudge checks your calendar and suggests a reply based on when you're free. And you've got Google Gemini to give you real-time responses about what's happening around you. All you have to do is share your camera. It also works across your favourite apps. So say you found a tasty looking recipe on YouTube and you want to make it at home, Gemini pulls the ingredients and the recipe for you and adds what's needed to your shopping list. If you ever want a second AI opinion, you've also got Perplexity. Just long press the side button, tap Deep Thinking, and it will give you detailed and insightful answers. Even your pictures will have an AI upgrade, as the 200 megapixel camera has a pro visual engine which uses AI to make sure every shot looks its best. The telephoto lens gets you up close with 5 times zoom and 37% more light than before. Plus your selfies will have you looking your best thanks to the AI image signal processor, which boosts micro details right down to hair strands and fibres of clothing. You've also got Photo Assist to give your pics that little lift. You can remove any distractions and even add extra detail. And with Creative Studio, you can turn your text prompts into actual visuals. You never have to worry about someone watching over your shoulder either, as this has privacy display. This limits side angle visibility, so the screen stays exclusively for your eyes only. You can even set it so that specific content always stays private, such as your notifications. If you'd like more info about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.